Well, hello there, guys, girls, non-binary people. It's your favorite unsalted cracker. It's Brother Reed here yet again. People with us today, as always, joining back by our sidekick. You guys probably know him as the Box. And let's not forget, we also have with us today, we have Alexa. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Here's the joke of the day. Did you hear the story about maple syrup?
Yeah.
It starts off kinda sappy.
Yeah.
Then it gets pretty steamy.
Yeah.
And the ending is really sweet.
Really sweet. Just like when you sign that divorce paper, it's really sweet for the wife, the ex-wife. Anyway, guys, as always, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting, insane, superfish stop motion strange food product review. YouTube's only true 365 day a year food product reviewer. We're back at it again. Another request. It's Dairy Queen Tollhouse chocolate chip cookie blizzard. This is the stuff of soft baked cookie dreams. It's the new Nestle Tollhouse chocolate chip cookie blizzard. Let's see, we got cookies and the world famous soft serve ice cream from Tollhouse. Check it out, people. We are very pumped up today to be reviewing this. We actually got a notification on the app also about the brand new Tollhouse chocolate chip cookie blizzard. So we're going to see what this baby is all about. And I will say this, as I've said it in numerous videos now, the blizzards are overpriced, as I've said, but yeah, $4.76. They are overpriced, and that's a small. So we're going to give this baby a review, people, and see just what it's all about. As always, remember, if you have anything like Read the Box, RCLX review, you got to leave a comment below. Because if we like that comment, guys, might just pick it out and review your request next. Now, it's time for yet another review, people. This alimony is really taking a toll on me. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, guys, let's get right to it and enjoy the Tollhouse chocolate chip cookie blizzard. There's a nice little look at it. Let's take a big bite of the cookie here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. How's that possible? Oh. It's running, people. Look, it's running. It's gonna try to get away. Look at that. It still got on me. Anyway, people, that is phenomenal. That is very good. Oh my God. The cookie, I had no idea how good the cookie would be with this ice cream. It's phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. Diabetes. 100%, no doubt about that. This is wonderful. Chocolate chip is wonderful. The cookie is wonderful. Look at this, people. Look at this. I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to get it everywhere. But look at this. Look at that. Look at that cookie. Look at the cookie. Hello there. Look at the cookie, people. Look at the cookie. Look at me. Look at me. Eat me. Eat me. People. People. I'm trying to get the cookie. The chocolate chips are great, but that cookie by itself is flat out phenomenal. I didn't know a chocolate chip cookie could be this good. So, people, oh my God. Oh my goodness. There's no doubt about it. This easily gets my highest recommendation. I knew it was going to be absolutely phenomenal, but it's even beyond my expectations. That's why I'm giving it a very perfect score of 5 stars. As good as I imagine this being, people, it has went above and beyond. You have to try it. I will say this. I've not liked the blizzard this much since I had the original Oreo Blizzard, which is my all-time favorite Blizzard. My all-time favorite! Now. Of course, I love chocolate chip cookies, so that's unbelievable. The chocolate chips are great. The cookie dough is unbelievable. Man. If you have diabetes, people, stay away from it. If you don't have diabetes, stay away from it. But if you want to take a chance and you want to live a little bit, you go to your local Dairy Queen right now. You pick you up a Tollhouse chocolate chip cookie Blizzard. Your doctor's going to say you're crazy. Your mother, your wife, your husband, your spouse, your children. They're going to say, you're crazy for eating all that sugar. What is wrong with you? You're going to be like, it don't matter. It's that good. Anything you can imagine, people. Just imagine if you love your Tollhouse cookies, which they are absolutely amazing. I will agree with that. You mix it with the soft serve ice cream in this Blizzard. You got yourself something you're going to remember the rest of your life. And that's saying a lot. So that's why it gets that perfect score, people. Be sure to check this out. You're going to absolutely love it. $5 for a small. And I know people are like, man, that sure is high there, Reed. You know, I ain't got that kind of money. Well, I feel sorry for you because you're missing out. Anyway, guys, that's the official review. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. I want to thank you guys, as always, so much for supporting the show. Have yourselves a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow because, you know, we try to do a review every day, 365 days a year. So thank you again, guys, so much for your support. See you tomorrow. Toodles! Is there anybody out there, people, that likes Maxwell House coffee ice cold? Are you one of those people? Do you like your Maxwell House coffee cold? Why couldn't they add a little bit of vanilla in this or something? It's just black coffee. It's cold. That's unique. That's pretty unique, people. I'm having a hard time opening my eyes. I wonder why that would be. I wonder what it could be. It could be the coffee. Here we go. It's too bland.